Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a cut crease look, and I'm going in my palette Nicka New York, and I'm just going to use the brown shade as my transition shade. I'm going to apply that in my crease line and blend that out same time. The two palettes I'm using today, I'm using the Nicka New York and the Huda Beauty palette for my cut crease eyeshadow look. I will link everything in the description below so you can know what product that I use. Okay guys, now I'm using the LA Girl in Cool Time, my same concealer. I'm using that as a base to apply my eyeshadow from my Huda Beauty. I'm just going to gently and apply that. So guys, you can see that I'm wiping away the excess product on my face and my lip gloss on my lip. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 365 and my shade is Nutmeg. I'm just going to use that and blend it with a dark beauty sponge. You're probably wondering, I have on so much foundation. I don't have on too much foundation. With the beauty blender sponge, what it do, it absorbs some of the product and blend out so that your makeup and your foundation especially look flawless. So I'm blending everything right out here. As you can see, I'm blending everything out. Okay, I'm just sweeping off the excess powder, and while I am blending everything out on my face to give me a balanced look, so I'm just blending out. For my lip color, I'm using Nabi long lasting matte lip gloss in the color Plum. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's a cut crease look for hooded eyes. And yeah, it turns out well. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you soon in my next video.